Have you ever dreamed of visiting a city where tradition meets innovation in perfect harmony? Welcome to Singapore, a small island nation that has captured the world's attention with its stunning skyline, vibrant culture, and efficient urban planning. As the drone soars over Marina Bay, you can feel the pulse of a city that never stands still. From futuristic towers to peaceful waterfronts, Singapore is more than a destination. It's an experience that blends nature, culture, and progress. But beneath the surface of this clean and organized metropolis lies a story of resilience, vision, and transformation. Let's dive into it together. Singapore's skyline is among the most recognizable in Asia. One of its icons is Marina Bay Sands, a hotel and sky park shaped like a giant ship balanced atop 3 towers. This engineering marvel isn't just beautiful. It's also home to the world's largest rooftop infinity pool. Nearby, you'll find gardens by the bay, where futuristic supertrees light up the night sky. These vertical gardens aren't just pretty, they're also part of a sustainable design that cools and cleans the surrounding air. And don't miss the esplanade, often called the durian for its spiky appearance. It's a performing arts hub that represents Singapore's commitment to creativity and expression. Did you know that Singapore was once a small fishing village known as Temasek? It wasn't until Sir Stamford Raffles arrived in 1819 that it began its journey as a British trading post. Today, Singapore is a cultural melting pot of Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Western influences. This blend is most evident in its food, from chili crab and Hainanese chicken, rice to laksa and roti prata. Each neighborhood tells a different story. Chinatown with its temples, Little India with its colorful shops, and Kampong Glam with its vibrant Malay culture. As the sun sets over Singapore's skyline, we're reminded that greatness doesn't require size, it requires vision, unity, and relentless determination. Singapore has proven that a nation can rise from limited resources and become a global model of innovation and coexistence. So whether you're planning a visit or simply admiring from afar, know that Singapore is not just a city, it's a statement. A statement with the right mindset. Even the smallest island can leave the biggest mark. Thanks for joining this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more visual escapes around the world, from ancient lands to modern wonders.
風に酔いしれる心を揺さぶるグルーブで胸騒ぎがしてるリズムに乗って駆け抜けよう都会の光に夢中でも街の喧騒